Hi guys, and welcome back to episode 9. Today we're making tuna shackles using a can of tuna. And right now I'm showing you the easy peasy shackle method video that we posted on one of our first videos on shackles for life. And follow the process along, and then when we get up to the video where we're going to be making the tuna patties, I'll show you how that's done in the mixing bowl. So just let the continue video play, and when we get up to the tuna, we'll come back and talk about it. Okay, so these are the tuna patties that we just made. So we're going to be going into the video in about a second or so. But I just wanted to show you how they came out of the oven, nice and golden brown. And these are really, really delicious, and I plan on making them again. And the method will work the same as chicken if you get the canned chicken. And I was just showing you that you can, for a Chaffles sandwich, we ended up putting some of our favorite mayonnaise on the Chaffle, and we had it that way. And I'm okay with the Hellmann's mayonnaise, even though it's got a little bit of sugar in it. But again, we get ready to preheat the oven, and let's get going on making the tuna patties. I happen to have 2 cans of tuna that I drained out of water as best I could, and I dumped it in. Then I broke it all up with the fork, and then I'm adding a little bit of mayonnaise, and I added 1 or 2 eggs to bind. It was actually 1 egg, and then I did salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, all that sort of thing. And I believe I may have put a little bit of chopped cheddar cheese in here, and I mixed everything up really well. And just follow me along with the process. You can pretty much figure it out from watching the video how I put this all together. So those go in the oven at 350 for approximately 20 minutes, 30 minutes till they were fully cooked. And yeah, they came out really, really good. And I ended up adding some cheese to it there, but I forgot to show that part. My video might have cut out on me or something like that. But I ended up putting maybe a half a cup of cheese, and it was because that's why the Chaffles are kind of like a orangey type of look. But you can see how nice and fully cooked they are. These came out really, really good. Again, I would caution you, do not be a keto police of my food. I mean, what I've done in the past with this food, these videos and Chaffles, that worked well for me in the past. And, you have to do what you have to do sometimes. That's all you can find in the grocery store. You get what you can find. But I definitely plan on making my own mayonnaise again to get back on track, and so I hope you be watching some of those videos. And there you go. This is our final product. We ended up having 2 Chaffles on the Chaffles, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys.